Guys, welcome back for another episode of Bogan Engineering. Today we are going to clean this girl and then we're going to come back in and we're going to take apart the front end. So stay tuned, let's get to it. Alright, so it's cleaned up pretty well when you look at her. I'll tell you, looking at this car before I just washed her down, it was covered in so much dust you couldn't even tell that it was a mica colour. I don't know if the camera's going to focus, but it's a really beautiful mica colour. So what we're going to get to now is hopefully taking off this front end. Okay guys, super sorry about that. The camera cut out, it ran out of footage. I'm going to get a bigger SD card for this thing. But you can see here, the front is now off. So we've taken off both extensions. We'll take off the bottom rails as well very shortly. But let me show you this. So, you know, you can see the real depth of that impact. Look at that. So it sheared it straight off there, come all the way over to here and sheared this sideways. And I'll tell you right now, getting that out of there was absolutely horrible. You can probably tell by what's happened to my arm there. Unfortunately for us, this is what I was hoping we could avoid, but knew that it was very unlikely, is you can really see now that it's off and now we've got some light and everything's clean that the rails are bent. So it looks like they bend away from the wheel and then this way. So they've moved about that. And that goes for both sides. So you can see this one's moved all the way across over here and it's right in the middle of that. So we are going to need to have those rails straightened. It's a shame, but it's not the end of the world. You can also see we've got the bottom bar off. So that is over here. It's actually not as badly damaged as we thought it was going to be. It could have probably been repaired, but we've already got a replacement for her. The lights are going to need to be taken apart. You can see we've got some loose bits inside there now that we're going to have to take care of. This one might actually be salvageable, maybe, with some plastic welding. This light, also more than likely salvageable. Minor plastic welding to two parts to fix it up. For the most part, all of its tabs together. So, good stuff. Oh, filming did not go as planned today. Today we had quite a few problems and issues, including interruptions by things like this. So, what happened today? We washed the car. We spent about 2, maybe and a half, nearly 3 hours taking apart the front end and eventually managing to get it off. Now you can see that there's quite a bit of damage there. The rails of the car are definitely bent. It's not just bolt on, so bummer. What that also means is it's going to have to go to the shop to get its rails straightened, and that's okay. Next steps, we take it to the shop, we're going to get its rails straightened. And after that we'll be taking off the front left hand side and straightening up that fender to realign it so we can actually open the passenger side door again. So, see you next week. Alright, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt, this has been Bogan Engineering, and if you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.